All right, Unlimited Possibilities Online LLC. This I got this Sandisk Extreme Pro memory card, which kind of looks off to me already. Like the packaging looks a little weird, but you know, that's not what bothered me. What bothered me moreover was this font. It looks like those like Xerox copy style on the memory card to paint, and the 128 gigabyte font is a little too long and big, and also the Sandisk one looks like it's just printed on. So I'm not sure if this is real. I got it on eBay for like 18 bucks, but we're gonna go ahead and test it out on the GoPro. Hopefully it's not a fake one, it doesn't rip me off. So this is a real Sandisk one. Font size, it's a little more thicker on the paint, as you can see. And then we'll compare this one. Alright, so this is the real one right here on top. We're doing some comparisons. As you can see, the 3 Sandisk Extreme Pro, that's the paint on it, the thickness of the 128 gigabytes, and the 3 whatever, it's not as big as this one. So there is differences. And the font on this is a little too high up, I would say. Comparing the differences. Now we're just gonna go ahead and open it up and check if it's the same speeds and read and more. But you could see complete differences in the paint already. On the Pro over here, it's too skinny compared to the thickness of that one, and the font of this as well, the Extreme. And then also the 3 over here on this one looks a little too big compared to this one. Big differences. Hopefully I didn't get ripped off, but we'll check it out. Put it on the GoPro and see if it works. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. I actually got this on Amazon too, so it's a thing that's a little tripping me out. There's a money back guarantee, so that's cool. We'll keep these just in case it is, you know. See, even the opening of it is like, why tell me to cut there if it's just a pure cardboard? It's supposed to like pop open, you know? It says cut. I don't know if you can see the scissors right there, but it does nothing. We're just gonna go ahead and rip this open, just like that. Very interesting because, okay, there's nothing more that comes with but this one right here. That's what's bothering me the most. Is the paint, right? And this one doesn't have nothing in the back. This one does have writings on it, but it's supposed to be more smaller. I'll show you the comparison on the other one right now. All right, so this is the brand new one. The writings are like that, made in Taiwan. No writings on the back of the adapter. This one says made in China, and as well as made in China. We're gonna go ahead and check the box of the new one, but it does say made in China, nothing where it's saying made in Taiwan. Very interesting. We're gonna go ahead and pop this in and hopefully it works. All right, in the GoPro it's 4 hours and 2 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and film with this, see what happens. All right, we'll go ahead and do this GoPro first person view style stuff right here. Not sure if the angle's right. These are the first clips filmed on this GoPro memory card. Kind of loose. Don't know how that turned out, but I need a stretch. Okay, so this is on skate, super wide, 2.7K. I think it's wider, maybe more fitting for skating. Let's go. Some flat ground warm up. So I don't know if you can see it. It says SD error. That means there's something wrong with this memory card. So the reason being, how I know it's fake is because GoPros usually use a higher quality to film. So also with that being said, the writing speeds and all that stuff, it's supposed to be like 200 megabytes plus, you know, MB plus. But this one, not even 5 minutes of trying to use the GoPro, it already died. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. And we're gonna pop it out, and I already filmed some stuff like POV style on this, but on it back again. So from 4 hours that you saw earlier, it dropped down to 2 hours and 26 minutes of filming. That's super crazy because I didn't film for 2 hours earlier. It started off as 4, I'll show you. So now it's 2 hours and 26 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and keep trying to film some stuff, and we'll see how long it takes before it gets SD card error again. It's recording. We're gonna go ahead and skate a bit. Yet again. So SD card error yet again. See? So as you can see, I already know this is a fake one. So yeah, even Sandisk, they let people be aware of this fake memory card. I got mine from Amazon, so even Amazon just putting this out there to be aware.